The Quick Start Guide to Hormone Health. Lifestyle design is required to live a happy, healthy life. Let us be your partner. Start feeling healthier and happier without drastic diets, significant changes, or medications. Are you experiencing the following? Despite trying countless tedious diets, you're having difficulty losing weight. Things that used to work have no effect now, and your weight seems to keep sneaking up. You're frequently exhausted, even when you should feel energized. You no longer have the drive to do the activities you enjoy, and you especially struggle with daily tasks which need to be done. Everything seems to be so hard. Sleep has become a luxury you no longer have, and you often wake up sweating at night. The frustration of not sleeping well compounds all other aspects of your life. You've also noticed new health issues that you never had before and questioned if it's due to aging or hormonal changes. Is this normal, or is there something I can do to change? The good news is you can take simple steps to improve your situation. Start today and be the change you want in your life.